Hello everyone, thank you for clicking in. So in this video I will show you how to use join and start meeting features in Google Sheet. So join and start meeting features within Google Sheet allows user to initiate or join meetings directly from their spreadsheet without needing to switch between different applications or tabs. So first guys, open the Google Sheet file that you want to use for the meeting. Click on the Meet button. Here is the Meet button in the top right corner of the screen. Here it is. If you want to start a new meeting, so you can click on this Start a new meeting, and if you have a meeting code, you can click on this button. So first we will start with start a new meeting. So guys, once you click on start a new meeting, as you can see, meeting has started. So we have two options. First is this video call only. So basically it creates a link that opens a new Google Meet window when someone clicks on it. This is useful if you want to share a video call with someone who doesn't have access to the file. In the second one, this file and video call, it creates a link that open a file in Google Sheet and also opens a Google Meet window. This is useful if you want to share a video call with someone who has access to the file and you want them to be able to see the file while they are on the call. Here is the different multiple option available. Turn off microphone, turn off camera. It basically similar to Google Meeting. In this case, you are sharing your Google Sheet right away. If you want to present, you can click on that. More option, and one dedicated video I have already uploaded in my channel. You can see that. If you want to leave this meeting, you can click on this button. Along with that, if you click on this button, you will see present this tab and share file in Meet chat. If you click on this button, this file will automatically shared in this chat box. So everyone who has joined this meeting will get this file. So guys, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching.